First thing in the morning, and I'm getting YouTube comments like these ones, namely accusing me of using Music DJ by Sony Ericsson on a particular clip of my video.
And it's working nicely, and some pretty lights flashing down there. It's working nicely. Now to see if I can feed it a different MIDI channel.
Now I'm here to explain to you guys that that actually was something I wrote myself, although I used a lot of the similar methods of modulation that Music DJ used to do their loops as well, and quite coincidentally it does sound very similar. But let's go to the video clip here.
Alright, a little bit of mucking around later, and I've got it doing what I need. This is an old score that I wrote some time ago and have revamped a number of times, called Minor Success 2, and this one I was using an 8-bit SID32 emulator.
And you'll see that I've actually used my own score. And today what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually put that full track in here. I'm going to do a screen recording of Fruity Loops playing it, and I'm going to put some links to both the song file and also the MP3 off my hosting, and also an access to all my other tracks. If you guys want to poke through and use it royalty free, you can go for it. I'm not going to cause a copyright strike if somebody uses this stuff. In fact, I'm going to feel a little bit honored if somebody wants to use some of my music. Anyway, let's carry on. Hope you enjoy.